Hi, welcome back to Cotton Creation. So today I am bringing you a vegan product review. I actually was in Ralph's recently and I saw the brand. I don't know how exactly you say it, if it's Ozio or Ozo, but nonetheless it's spelled Ozio, and I'll show the product to you. But they had a few items at Ralph's that were marked down, so I was like, you know what, I've been wanting to try their products out, so I decided to go ahead and pick up their meatballs. So if you're interested in seeing how I prepare these and what I think of them, please stay tuned. But before we hop into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on all the amazing videos I have coming your way. Let's hop into it. All right, so here's the Ozo plant-based meatballs, Italian style, that I picked up from my local Ralph's, which is one of the Kroger brands of supermarkets. And you can see they have water, texture, pea protein, rice protein, some wheat gluten. So not too many like bad things in them. I'm just gonna bake them in the oven as the instructions are stated on the back of the bag. And then I also did a barbecue sauce and I glazed them with those, put them back in the oven for a bit so that barbecue sauce could cook through a little bit. Now, I ain't gonna lie, when I opened the pack, the first thing I noticed was the smell, and it's not a pleasant smell. It's not as strong as like the Beyond Burger smell, but it's just off-putting. So this is what it looks like when you cut it open inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these. Now I'm a bit nervous because the smell was off and the inside texture isn't given exactly what I had hoped for, but you know, I'm still gonna be open-minded and still give them a try. So here goes nothing. Pray with me, y'all. Okay, first bite, and I'm like, oh shoot, where's barbecue sauce? I need some more sauce. Put a little more sauce on it. It did help a little bit, but then after the sauce wore out, I couldn't. I just couldn't. I could not. It's a no. All right, so let me know what you guys think of this video. As you can probably tell already, it's a no for me. Unfortunately, I really was hoping that this product would be a yes, so that, you know, I could have something convenient and easy to prepare in the stash, but unfortunately that is not the case. Let me know if you guys have tried these. This brand has so many products out. As a matter of fact, I also recently picked up their new bacon, which I'll have to do the video for that soon. But yeah, I just, yeah, the flavor is not giving what it needs to give. Like I said, I'm not gonna repeat what's already in the video, but you know, the smell, I'm big on smells too, like, and so that is already something that, you know, if it's not smelling good, it's gonna be hard for me to enjoy it. But nonetheless, let me know down in the comment section down below what you guys think of this tutorial, and let me know if you've tried this product or any of their other products. I'm curious to know what you guys think. And yeah, if you like this video, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.